Yeah, hello students. How are you? I hope you all are well. Students, today we will learn chapter number 9, that is time class. In this class, we are going to study about time class. Just a clock tell us the time. घड़ी हमें क्या बताती है क्लास? Time बताती है. Plus usually a clock has two hands, but in some watch or clothes has three hands. Class C, the short hand shows us the hours. क्लास जो घड़ी में छोटा हैंड होता है, शॉर्ट होता है, वो हमें क्या बताता है? आवर्स, यानी कि घंटे. नाउ द लॉन्ग हैंड शोज द मिनट. वो जो लॉन्ग हैंड होता है वो हमें क्या बताता है? मिनट. नाउ क्लास देयर इज वन मोर हैंड इन सम क्लॉक. इट इज फॉर सेकंड्स. क्लास सी, you can see. You have seen that the second hand in a clock moves with a jerk. Each jerk marks 1 second. Each jerk marks 1 second. Now reading time to the exact minute. So far you have been reading time correct to 5 minutes. Now let's learn to read time the exact minute. Class, when the hour hand moves one from one number to next number or other, we say 1 hour has passed. Class, जब आर हैंड होता है जो एक नंबर से दूसरे नंबर पे आ जाता है तो क्या होता है? एक घंटा मतलब हमारा 1 hour हैज बीन पास. बट व्हेन द मिनट हैंड मूव्स फ्रॉम वन नंबर टू अदर, वी से 5 minutes हैव पास. क्या जब आर हैंड एक नंबर से दूसरे नंबर पे जाता है तो मतलब 1 घंटा हो चुका है. नाउ अगर मिनट हैंड एक नंबर से दूसरे नंबर पे जाता है मीन्स 5 minutes हैव पास्ड. नाउ स्मॉल डिवीजन between any two consecutive numbers represent a minute. When minute hand moves from one small division to the next small division, we say 1 minute has passed. When the minute hand completes one full circle moving all 60 small divisions, that is 60 minutes, we say that 1 hour has passed. Now, what is the time shown on the clock? The hour hand is between 1 and 2. Between 1 and 2 and the minute hand is at 28. Thus the time is 1:28 or 28 minutes past 1. Now what is the time shown on this clock? The hour hand is at between 11 and 12. The minute hand is at the small division just before 5. Thus the time is 11:24 or 24 minutes past 11. Come on, exercise 9A. Now question number 1, read the following clocks correct to the exact minute and write the time in the space provided. Class C, class shorter hand is at before, so before 10 at one division, that is, and minute hand is at 11, that is 10:55. Now in this clock shorter hand is at between 8 and 9, so 8. Now 8:30 in 8:39. Okay class, rest of the parts do yourself. Come on, question number 2. Draw the hands on the following clocks to show the time. 11:12. So shorter hand, longer hand is at this. Now 7:47. Shorter hand is at 7. Now 47. Here will come 7. Okay. You can count the short division in this. Okay. Rest of the parts do yourself. Come on, 12-hour clock. A day consists of 12 hours. It starts from 12 midnight of one day and lasts till 12 midnight of the second day. In the 12-hour clock, the entire day is divided into two equal zones of 12 hours each. 12 midnight, 12 hours, 12 noon, 12 hours, 12. Now class, the time from 12 midnight to 12 noon. 12 midnight to 12 noon is indicated by AM or anti-meridian, and time from 12 noon to 12 midnight is indicated by PM or post-meridian. 6 o'clock in the morning is written as 6 a.m. or 6 o'clock in the evening is written as 6 p.m. or now we do not write AM or PM with 12 o'clock. We can write 12 o'clock as 12 noon and 12 o'clock at 9 as midnight. Now class, 12-hour clock. In a 12-hour clock, the time is counted from 0 to 24. The time past 12 noon is expressed as 13, 14, 15 and so on till 24. Now class, 1 p.m. is expressed as 13 hours, 2:30 p.m. as 14:30 hours, 5:30 p.m. is written as 17:30 hours and 8:15 p.m. is 20:15. You can see 24-hour clock at railway station. Yes, you can see at railway station. Now class, see the representation of 12-hour clock and 12-hour clock in the form of a circle. See. Now the time in 12-hour clock is marked on the outer circle and the time in 12-hour clock is marked on the inner side. We need to add the term hours after the time in 24-hour clock. For example, 4 o'clock in the evening is 4 p.m. in 12-hour clock and 16 hours in 24-hour clock. Understand? Thus, you can see the picture of 24-hour clock. Now, advantage of 24-hour clock. The 24-hour format is superior to the 12-hour one. Look at some advantage of 24-hour format. Now there is less confusion between morning and evening. If we use 24-hour format, for example, 4 o'clock does not clarify the time of the day, whereas 1600 hour is clearly an evening time, clearly an evening time. It is no longer necessary to write AM or PM after the time. हम 12-hour क्लॉक में एडवांटेज 24-hour क्लॉक के एडवांटेज में हमें जरूरी नहीं होता क्लास AM PM लिखना. Now 2400 is clearly midnight and 1200 is known without confuse. Understand? Now we can easily calculate duration. For example, it is not easy, so it is not so easy to calculate that 8:30 AM to 1:30 PM is 5 hours, whereas it is easier to calculate that 8:30 hours to 13:30 hours is 5 hours. Understand? तो क्लास ये क्या थे हमारे 24-hour clock के advantage थे. Now class, exercise 9B, question number 1, write AM or PM for each activity. Sunrise, AM, breakfast, AM, going to bed, PM. Rest of the parts do yourself. Come on, question number 2, write the time according to 24-hour clock in the blanks. The blanks. It started raining suddenly at 12:30 AM. Now class, it started raining suddenly at 12:30 AM or 30 hours. Now class, Rakhi goes to sleep at 9:30 PM or yes, 21:30. Understand? Rest of the parts do yourself. Now class, come on, question number 3. Match the following. 3 hours before 9:30. 3 hours before 9:30 class, see. Before. Before means pehle. 3 hours. So class 8. Now 7, 6 is 6:30. Okay. Now 4 hours after 8 PM, that is 12 midnight. Now 3 hours after 8:30 is 11:30. Now 1 hour before 9 AM. 1 hour before 9 AM, that is 8. Now 10 hours after 6:30. 10 hours class. You can count 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. That is 4:30 AM. Okay. Now 2 hours after 10:30, that is 12:30 PM. 1 hour before 12:20. 1 hour before 12:20 PM, that is 11:20 AM. Understand class? Now duration of time. Class, the time duration of an activity can be found out by subtracting the time from the finishing or reaching time. Class, Mr. Jones started the journey of his office at 7:45 a.m. and reached at 8:55 a.m. How much time did he take to reach his office? Class, reaching time, starting time, class को minus करेंगे. Step 1, write the finishing time, write the starting time. Now subtract the find the duration. Subtract 2, find the duration. Thus Mr. Jones took 1 hour 10 minutes to reach his office. Now example number 2, a football match started at 8:30 a.m. and got over by 11:45 a.m. What was the total duration of the match? Finishing time, starting time. Now duration of, so thus the total duration of the match was 3 hours 10 minutes. हमने क्या किया यहाँ पर? Subtraction means minus किया है. Now example number 3, a flight departed from the New Delhi airport at 11:45 hours and arrived at the Mumbai airport 13:55 hours. What was the duration of the flight? What was the duration of the flight? Reaching time, duration, departure time, duration time. That is, the flight took 2 hours 10 minutes to reach Mumbai. Now, example number 4, students left school for the museum 8:45 a.m. and reached the museum at 9:50 a.m. How long did they take to reach the museum? Now reaching time, starting time, duration minus. Thus they took 1 hour 5 minutes to reach the museum. Come on, exercise 9C. Question number 1, find the time duration between 9 a.m. and 11:30 a.m. So class हम क्या करेंगे, इसमें माइनस करेंगे 11:30 a.m. and 9 a.m. So class 30 and 11 minus 9, that is 2. So 2:30 a.m. Now 15, 12, 20, 15. So class 20, 10 minus 5, 5. So it is 5 hours 20 minutes. Understand class? Rest of the parts do yourself. Yes class, a train takes 13 hours to reach city B from city A. It reached city B at 8:30 p.m. वो रात को 8:30 p.m. पर वहां पर पहुंच गए. At what time did it started class? 13 hours means 6:30 a.m. वो सुबह को चले होंगे वहां से. Also वो reached at 8:30 p.m. Okay, 6:30 a.m. Okay, now class, rest of the parts do yourself. Come on, finding the number of days. Class, a year has 365 days. एक ईयर में 365 डेज होता है ना. जनवरी, मार्च, मई, जुलाई, अगस्त, अक्टूबर एंड दिसंबर हैव 31 डेज. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 months have 31 days. The rest of the months have 30 days except February, which can have 28 or 29 days. To find the number of days that have elapsed between two incidents, you need to find difference between both the numbers. You need to find difference. Now class, example number 1, how many days have elapsed between 12th January and 1st February? 12th January is not included. Number of days in January 31. 13 minus 12, 19 days. Since January has 31 days, number of days in February 1. So total number of days 19 plus 1, 20 days. Now class, Savita's father left Fort Delhi 18th July and returned on 25 July. How many days he stayed there? 18th July and 25th July are not included. He stayed in Delhi from 19th July to 24th July. So that's the number of days he stayed there. 25 minus 19, 60. Understand class? Come on, example number 3. How many days are there between 5th June and 21st October? 5th June is not included. Okay, number of days left in June, 30 minus 5, 25 days. Since June has 30 days. Now number of days in July, 31, August 31, September 30, October 21. Now हम सबको क्या करेंगे? प्लस कर देंगे. So 138 days. Come on, exercise 9D. Question number 1, count the number of days between the given dates. Do not include the first and last date. Class हम first and last date को इंक्लूड नहीं करेंगे फर्स्ट एंड लास्ट डे. 8th March and 8th June. 8th March and 8th June. So class 8th March and 8th June. तो क्लास हम यहाँ पर मीन्स हमें 9 मार्च से 7 जून तक का डेज को हमें इंक्लूड करना है. नाउ मार्च हैज 31 days. Now March has 31 days. So 31 minus 9, that is 22. Now April has 30. Okay, March. So class June 22. June 7. So class add all the days. That is 22 plus 30 plus 7. Now class 22 plus 30, that is 52 plus 7, 59 days. 59 days. Understand? 59 days. Now come on B part. 25th August and 2nd November. So now come on B part class. 25th August to 2nd November. Now class 25th means 24 August, means 26th August to 1 November. Okay. Now August have 31 days, so 31 minus 26, that is 5 days. Now October has 30 days. Now November 1. So class 1 day. Now add 5 plus 3, 5 plus 30 plus 1, that is 36 days. Okay class. Now class, rest of the parts do yourself. Question number 2, count the numbers of days between the given dates including all the days. Now class, 3rd September and 8th November. Yes class. Now come on, second question. 3rd September to 8th November. 3rd September to 8th November. Now class, September has 30 days. So 30 minus 3 is equal to 27 days. Okay. Now October has 31 days and November 8 days. Okay. So class, now add 27 plus 31 plus 8. 27 plus 31 plus 8. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 8, 16. 6. Carry 1. 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6. So 66 days. Between 3rd September to 8th November. Okay. Now class, rest of the parts do yourself. Now your chapter is completed. Prepare it very well and we will see you in next class.